Corn flour or cornstarch is a common and simple ingredient in our kitchen. It's used for thickening liquid-based food like soups, making corn syrup, and most especially for making gravy sauces. Corn flour and cornstarch are often used interchangeably, and they both mean the same thing. Homemade corn flour is very easy to prepare at your convenience as it mainly requires corn. It is an excellent alternative to flour thickeners, particularly in gravy sauce and beef stew recipes. Corn flour is often preferred over regular flour due to its transparent glue-like result instead of opaque after being mixed with water. What are the uses of corn flour? Corn flour is very versatile, quite useful, and cheap. Even though corn flour or cornstarch is commonly used as a thickening agent in food, it has numerous uses. Did you know that aside from using it as a batter in fried foods, you can also use it as an anti-sticking agent in paper products? Other uses of corn flour include gluing school projects, textile manufacturing, and medical products, including pharmaceutical uses. It can also double its thickening power. And when corn flour is added to a sauce, it blends easily with it without adding any unwanted flavor. When it comes to baking, you can combine corn flour and all-purpose flour to make a cake. This will help soften the flour and create a good texture and crumbs. How to make corn flour at home. To make corn flour at home, you'll need 2 cups of white or red corn, a blender, 2 medium-sized bowls, sieve or cheesecloth, water, and a tray. Here are the steps on how to make it. 1. Bring 2 cups of either white or yellow corn into a bowl. 2. Add water to completely cover the corn and set it aside to rest at one corner of the kitchen. 3. Let it stay at least overnight or for 2 days. 4. After that, rinse the corn with clean water. Transfer the soaked corn into a blender, add water to cover it, and blend until very smooth. Enjoying the video? Then give a like and share it with your friends to help the channel. 5. Pass the paste over a strainer, add a little water and mix to allow it to pass easily. 6. To get a very smooth consistency, strain it the second time by wrapping a cheesecloth or chiffon material over a bowl. 7. Now, carefully pour the already strained corn over it. 8. Once the starch is all out, remove it from the bowl. Squeeze the water out and throw out the fiber. You can use the fiber as poultry feed or as manure in a nursery farm. 9. Let the paste settle until the water is clear and a thick starch settles at the bottom of the bowl. Then strain out the liquid. Repeat the process until all of the water has been strained out of the starch. 10. Use a paper towel to absorb traces of water at the top of the starch. 11. Now bring the thick paste on a flat surface and spread it out. Let the wet starch dry for a whole day if you live in a humid environment or use the oven to dry it. 12. When dried, it will form some tiny crumbs. Place these crumbs in a coffee grinder and pulse them a few times to refine the crumbs. 13. Once you have that smooth consistency, like the store-bought cornstarch, store it into an airtight container and keep it safe from moisture. Now you know how to make corn flour at home. How easy is that? Use it for your gravy sauces or any recipe that calls for cornstarch. Have you tried making corn flour at home? Let us know how it turned out. If you like the video, then give a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell. Also, get your free ebook in the description box below, which includes my favorite recipes and natural health tips.